Hey guys, welcome back to 4Runner Lifestyle. Today we're going to be doing an install video on this 4Runner where we will be replacing the license plate lights. For this install, all you'll need is a screwdriver with a Phillips head. You're going to start by taking your screwdriver and removing each screw from each one of the license plate lights. There should be 4 screws. Once you've removed your first light, you're going to want to take your new light and its foam sealer and place it on the back. Okay, once you've placed your foam sealant on the back of your new light, you'll place it in where the old light was. Okay, next you're going to pull the old bulb out and replace it with your new light. Okay, so once that wire has been replaced into the new housing, you're going to replace your screws with the provided hardware. Okay, so now that that side's done, you're going to repeat the process on the other side. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was a quick and easy install and makes a great upgrade. The OEM bulbs burn out all the time and these LEDs will last much longer. Hey, be sure to like and subscribe.